So TypeScript TS server use separate syntax server. Enable disable spawning a separate TypeScript server that can more quickly respond to syntax related operations, such as calculating, folding, or computing document symbols. Requires using TypeScript 3.4.0 or newer in the workspace. And we're using 3.6, so we're good to go. I guess this is a performance thing. Yeah, it wants to spawn a separate TS server that can more quickly respond to syntax related operations. So this is definitely a performance thing. I guess just leave this one as true. Not sure why this is a setting, and it's not like a built-in feature of VS Code that it uses a different server for these types of operations. But this is probably not something you want to change, and I won't either.